So here's how to download a file from GitHub repository. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. To download a file from your GitHub repository, you have to first click on the repository section at the top of your profile. Then here you will be able to view all of your repositories. Now you have to simply click on the repository from where you want to download your file. Moving on, now you have to select the file that you want to download. Click on the selected file to view and download it. Moving to the next step, here you will be able to view a preview of your file. Now to download this file, you have to click on this download icon at the top right corner of the file. Then click on the download option to download this file. You can also select the option of download raw file to extract the code of the file to download it. Once the file has been downloaded, now you have to click on the preview option to view it. Here take a look that our file has been successfully downloaded. So that's how to download a file on GitHub.